Hello, Kevin here with N-Spec Home Inspections, doing an attic inspection today. It's always good to hire a home inspector to check things out for you if you're unable to get everywhere you need to be inside a home. This one, we got a piece of an extension cord going down to support what looks like a light, which is wired with extension cord wiring, which runs over this way, big clump of it there, and then runs over to that can light over there. And you got this bit of a hot mess of a open junction box, and there was some more open junction boxes down that way. So electrically, this house, this attic, needs some finesse. And if you're unable to get up in the attic, or if you're not sure what you're looking for when you get up in the attic, hire a home inspector that'll get up there, that'll spend some time up there and crawl around and try to figure things out for you. This is Kevin with N-Spec. I got your 6. Have a good day.